What's up guys, Ackeem Sturdy here. Now in this video we're going to look at this Hamilton Beach deep fry. As you can see right here, just gonna unbox it, let you guys see what's inside. Okay guys, as you can see, this is package right here that come inside the box. So right here we have the cable, this is the lid, so these are the mesh that come inside. This is one of the grill, as you can see. Also we have an next grill right here, so these are the angles that come inside it. So this right here is the bigger mesh, as you can see. So for those deeper fry, as you can see, you can use this right here. So as you can see, this is our inside look. So we can place our aisle inside right here for those deep fry. As you can see, once you place aisle right here, these metal which gets it hot. So this guy is right here is a timer right here. So once you put it around, it will on off right here will be on, but we can set it to time, so we can put at least 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, or even up to 30 minutes. This right here shows that you're ready, and this right here shows the degrees in which we can put it up to, which this goes up to 375 Fahrenheit, as you can see right there. So I'm going to hook up some of the grill right now to show you guys basically how it works. As you can see, this is basically for a deep fry, so you can basically take out this. It is very quite accessible. Lock it, so you can place it into place right there, as you can see, and it is locked quite fine without any problem. Right here we can see we have some bit of opening right here as well for some air vent for the aisle basically to go out. That basically what's right there is for. Deep fry right here. And this one basically, if you want to separate them or anything that you're cooking, we can use these for some different separation. So guys, so on the part right here, this is where you plug the power cable. As you can see, this part must show up. We can plug that inside and we can plug this into our power outlet. Very easy to set up. So I hope you guys find this video very helpful. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, see you guys in my next video. Peace out.